I believe that this is what makes OpenCV University special. It shares knowledge that only years of experience can give you. That is something that you don't learn from a book or from a course.
I would like to start with, just to understand your background, what were you doing before, and how did you get interested in computer vision and AI? So give us a little
Okay.
background.
Yes, Dr. Satya. I'm from Mexico, and uh, I just graduated. I got a PhD from Tecnológico de Monterrey here in Mexico, and I have a background in computer vision and machine learning.
Oh,
I have
nice.
been working on video-based human action recognition
Right.
and published 3 journal articles in this time and conference papers. At this moment, I complete my PhD,
Oh,
and I
congratulations.
am, yes, thank you. And I am with the mission of landing a job in computer vision, machine learning. There are multiple roles here to be part.
Tell me a little bit about, you have taken two of our courses, completed them. How did you feel like in terms of the quality of the course, the practical applications, what you learned? Could you give a little background on how you felt about the course?
Yes, of course. In overall, I have a good impression on the OpenCV courses. In my opinion, I consider that they are among the best courses I have taken, both on certification and my formal education,
Oh,
master and PhD. Um, I believe that the courses have a clear structure that combines the exploration of theoretical concepts supported by practical projects and step-by-step visualization of core concepts. With this alone, I consider that the courses were worthy to understand that. But for me, what I consider special about the OpenCV University and what makes me to take the course is that um, they offer more insights beyond that, beyond the concepts. For example, each time you did an assignment and send it to review, you receive the feedback from an expert that work on that
yeah.
on computer vision. That
Right.
is very valuable.
Right.
Also, the course provides you with how to best practice to write code in Python, computer vision, OpenCV, and PyTorch. And also it motivates you to enter to Kaggle competitions, explore other topics like cloud deployment on Azure, and and that I believe that this is what makes OpenCV University special. It shares knowledge that only years of experience can give you. That is something that you don't learn from a book or from a course.
Right.
Um, and I remember that in one of your webinars, you said that the OpenCV courses provide you with a strong background that is comparable to a master degree.
What do
The
you feel
first
about
time,
that question?
yes,
What?
I was very very skeptical because it's like
Yeah.
a master is 2 years of studies, and OpenCV University is like 3 4 months of work. uh, um, And after taking the computer vision, fundamentals of computer vision for Python and C++, I agree with that statement. To be honest, my first um, feeling was that my master would be a lot easier if I had taken the course at that time,
Right.
and I would have more ideas to explore for my research topic, and having other tools that will help me. It will be a lot easier.
Right.
Um, in my master, nobody teach how to research or write code, and that was the part that was missing that I got from the course. Um, then later in my PhD, in my master's degree, I was working on handcrafted methods, traditional machine learning for
Right.
action recognition. And when I entered to my PhD, was very. difficult, different, because we were in the rise of deep learning. So deep
Right.
learning was everywhere.
Right. Right.
So I was outdated already. So my challenge was to learn a new family of approaches and be able to understand them, and not only understand, be able to compare them in a benchmark to know which is best and what are the best attributes of each implementation.
Right.
And to attend this challenge, my first approach was to reading the papers implementation that others provide.
Right.
But to say in a good manner, researchers have very different coding styles.
Right.
So learning from GitHub could be confusing, could lead to frustration, and take a lot of time to learn. So that is when I took the deep learning with PyTorch course. It teach me what I needed to know about PyTorch.
Right.
Uh, I understood which parts of the code were the critical, how was the structure to run a Python code, a PyTorch code, and I had a better structure to work from my thesis project and advancing my research. That was the insights of deep learning with PyTorch. Also, as I was saying, what makes OpenCV University special is that they teach you additional tools. One of these tools was TensorBoard. I learned about.
Yes.
And it was it becomes my favorite tools at that moment. When I arrived to my advisor meeting, I was like, look what I found it.
Right.
And it helped me to explain how the accuracy was evolving in the epochs and have a better and easier tracking of the experiments and easy way to expose to my advisor that. So as you can see, I believe that participating in the Kickstarter campaign
Yeah.
of the courses was one of the best decisions I took. I still have some course to do, and I plan to do it. But that for me, I'm very happy with it.
All right. Thank you so much for the kind words.